Holy cow, Brad Cornell, Hope for Heroes, on the road again. Yeah, I went and picked up another 500 pounds of hamburger for these folks up in the hill country. Boy, we've been doing some cooking up at the Hunt store and for all the firefighters up there and people that have been hurting from the floods. And the Ingram Fire Department, they had a big cookout over there. We're supplying the meat. Picked up another 500 pounds. That's 4,000 hamburgers, ladies and gentlemen, or 1,000 meatloaves, and whatever else they want to do with it. Thank you for all your support. Hope for Heroes out here doing what we can for our firefighters, our first responders, and people that need help. So, hey, pray you have a wonderful day. Go to HopeForHeroesTX.org. Give us a hand financially if you feel led by the Lord. But if you don't, then just say, let's pray for them. But anyway, thank you. Have a blessed day. I got my sidekick with me. Yeah, right here. Yeah. She's all excited, fired up, you can tell. Well, God bless you. Have a good day.